everyone, welcome back to Career Nest. I'm Manisha, and in today's video, we'll discuss the RSMSSB Paramedical Staff Recruitment 2024. This is an excellent opportunity for those looking for a government job in the medical field. The Rajasthan Subordinate and Ministerial Services Selection Board RSMSSB, also known as Rajasthan Staff Selection Board (RSMSSB), has officially announced a huge recruitment drive for paramedical staff on a contractual basis. Let's take a quick look at the key details. Total vacancies 2,626. Posts available: nurse grade EI, lab technician, nursing tutor, medical social worker, and more. Application mode: online. Online application and fee payment. Start date February 18, 2025. Last date to apply online March 19, 2025 till 11:59 p.m. Make sure you don't miss the deadline. Late applications will not be accepted. Now, let's talk about the age limit and eligibility criteria. As per the official notification, the age criteria for applying are: minimum age 21 years, maximum age 40 years as of 1st January 2026. Age relaxation as per government rules: SC, ST, OBC PUD candidates may get relaxation. The detailed eligibility criteria and qualification requirements will be available on February 18, 2025 when the official notification is released. So, stay tuned for that update. Now, let's talk about how to apply online for the RSMSSB Paramedical Staff Recruitment 2024. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Visit the official website. Step 2. Click on the link for Paramedical Staff Online Form 2024. Step 3. Register yourself by providing basic details. Step 4. Pay the application fee. Details available on 18th February 2025. Step 5. Fill out the form carefully and upload necessary documents. Step 6. Double-check all details and submit the application. Step 7. Download and print the confirmation page for future reference. This is a completely online process, so make sure to have a stable internet connection while applying. Before we wrap up, here are a few important tips for all applicants. Read the official notification carefully before applying. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria before submitting your form. Keep all required documents ready in advance. Apply early to avoid last-minute issues. That's all for today's update on the Paramedical Staff Recruitment 2024. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Career Nest for more updates. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Also, let me know in the comments section if you have any doubts or questions. I'll be happy to help. Check description box for official notification and notes. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your application.